Fashionista, how are you doing? Guys, I hope you are doing fine with everything that's going on in the world right now. I hope you're keeping safe and listening to what the expert has to say. And first thing first, I want you to trust God in everything. Okay, so I'm excited to bring to you in this time Fashionista Friday. Every Friday on Lifestyle with Edna, we're gonna be having at least 30 minutes of chats on beauty, fashion, okay? Just beauty and fashion. Okay, so on the letter page, I'm sorry, not the Lifestyle with Edna. So every Friday, 6 p.m. Eastern Time, we are going to be bringing to you Fashionista Friday on Dilela Edna's Inspiration. So from our Facebook page, Dilela Edna's Inspiration, as well as our Instagram page, Dilela Edna's Inspiration. So watch out, every Friday, 6 p.m. Eastern Time, we are going to keep our spirit lifted up with beauty, fashion, and cute tip, all right, to keep up with your natural beauty, you know what I mean, because you're already beautiful, you know what I mean. So all we're going to be doing is just chit-chatting about beauty tips and tricks, and sometimes you could share your thoughts with me, because you never know, your girl be looking for some tips too, okay? So I'm excited to introduce Fashionista Friday. It's going to be at least a 30 minutes live chit chat on Facebook as well as Instagram on Dilela Edna's Inspiration. So stay positive. This too shall pass, okay? So watch out now for Dilela Edna's Inspiration on Fashionista Friday, and we're going to feature at least one person every Friday on Fashionista Friday. So we're going to be checking one of your pages to give you a shout out for your fashion sense and all that good stuff. So I'm excited to bring to you Fashionista Friday. Love you and stay positive. And look, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle with Edna, please do, because we have some juicy, great videos we put up there all the time, okay? So don't miss out on Lifestyle with Edna as well, all right? So subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to join the family. And I love you and stay safe, okay? Bye-bye.